Tired of untangling a web of duplicate contacts in your Google Contacts? Let's fix that right now. First, we'll head over to Google Contacts. You can easily find this by searching Google Contacts in your web browser or by going directly to contacts.google.com. Once you're on the Google Contacts page, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You should see an option that says Merge and Fix. Click on that. Google will now scan your contacts and identify any potential duplicates. It will present them to you in a list, often suggesting where the duplicates might be. You'll see a button that says Merge All or similar for a quick cleanup. This is the easiest way forward. Simply click that Merge All button. Google will then expertly combine those redundant entries, keeping the most complete information for each contact. And just like that, your address book is streamlined. Now, all your devices synced with your Google account will reflect this cleaner, more organized contact list. This means less searching, less confusion, and more time getting things done. You've successfully decluttered your digital address book.